Hi, this is Amanda Zimmerman. This is SPCE 610, Section 809, and this is the Fall 2024 semester. Today I'll be teaching you how to conduct an MSWO preference assessment. A preference assessment is a way to help us figure out items and activities that a client prefers, and the purpose of this is to help us find possible reinforcers that we will use to increase desirable behavior. So the steps to conducting an MSWO, which you guys will see here in the handout. Step number 1 is to gather all of the materials needed for the assessment. So you're going to need your data sheet and your pencil and pen, and then your preferred items that may potentially act as a reinforcer. Step number 2, you will set up your items in an array of 7 in a straight line. Then you will instruct your client to pick one item in the array. After the client chooses that item, you can allow them to play with it or eat it if it's a edible item. And then after about 30 seconds to a minute, then you can have the client relinquish the item, but do not put it back in the array. So the next time you go to instruct your client to pick one, you only have 6 items in the array. After your client picks the item, then you record which item the client chooses and where in the array it was presented. Then you repeat the process of picking the items until all of the items have been chosen, or if the child refuses to pick the item or throws them. The final step would be to rank the items to determine the low, moderate, and highly preferred items. Your highest item is picked first, and so on. So this is an example of the data sheet here that you can see on your MSWO handout that I have provided for you. Here is the data sheet in full. So this is just one square of the data sheet that you'll see on the handout, and this is the full sheet that you will use. So you'll have your 7 items written out here, A through G, and then you will start with the first square. And then you'll have the date, you'll have the child's name, and then you will have your name when you are conducting it. So the first item that the client picks in the array of 7, you will place here, and then you will place circle the item in the array, so where it was in the array. And then you will do that until there is no more items in the array. Pick one. Good choice. My turn. Pick one. My turn. Pick one. My turn. All right, Sarah, pick one. Ready? My turn. Pick one. Good choice. Banana. Ready? My turn. Pick one. My turn. Pick one. Have it completed. So the highest preferred items was the octopus, which received number 6. As well as the purple ball, and that also received the sum of 6. The moderately preferred items were the pop tube, and that received 15, and the banana, which received 19. Her lowest preferred items were the ring fidget, and that received the sum of the trials for that was 25. The sum of the trials for the skateboard was 20, and then the Some of the items for fidget spinner was 21, so those are her lowest preferred and least likely to be a reinforcer.